In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set Google Forms response limit, since Google Forms doesn't natively include this feature. First, open your form and search for the Email Notifications for Google Forms add-on in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Install it, and you'll notice it appears inside your form under the puzzle piece icon labeled Add-ons. Click on the add-on, and a menu will appear. While this tool can create email notifications for registrants, you'll focus on limiting form responses. Set the maximum number of entries you want to allow, and customize the message users will see when the form reaches capacity, something like, "Oops, we've hit our limit." This informs respondents that the form is closed without leaving them confused. After setting the limit and message, click Save. The add-on will remember your maximum entries, and your form will automatically stop accepting responses once that number is reached. This method is quick, simple, and ensures your form runs smoothly without manual monitoring.